I'm Dr. Liz Perry, and today's topic is the blueberry. Our channel is all about health, wellness, and the quality of life because I believe that by combining best practices from around the world, including food therapies, we can optimize healthy living. Blueberries are native to North America, specifically Canada and the New England region's northeast part of the United States. They're sweet and sour in taste, and they are cooling constitutionally, the blueberry. They are most prominent to be freshly picked from May through August. The blueberries are, and they are delicious, and they're cooling, so they're a great choice to keep us cool in the summertime. The blueberry's special secret is silicon. Silicon, which is found to rejuvenate the pancreas. And so it's known to be healthful to diabetics. The blueberry kills infectious diseases such as viruses, lowers blood cholesterol, balances blood pressure, and moderates our body weight. The blueberries. Swedish researchers have found that blueberries contain an item, a chemical that's known as anthocyanocides, which kill E. coli. The blueberries contain that. Blueberries treat diarrhea, and they are antivirals by nature. They even found in the laboratory to kill polio when tested in the lab in test tubes. The blueberries. They're loaded in potassium, fiber, vitamin A, vitamin C, calcium, phosphorus, and iron. Thanks so much for checking in today with Dr. Liz Perry, where life does become better living. And please feel free to like and subscribe to our channel so we can keep these wellness tips coming your way. And à jusqu'à demain.